Hey, I'm Vidal Ramos, and I'm the owner of Fairway Heating and Cooling, and I serve the Tampa Bay area from Winter Haven to St. Pete, from Spring Hill down to Manatee. Yeah, so at my company, I wasn't getting enough leads. So I said to myself, let me venture out. And so I came across HVAC marketers. And my buddy Alex was such a nice guy. So what they do for me is get me leads. Now, I'm just an HVAC guy, and it is important for me to know exactly the bundle of work that the marketing company does for me. But in any other case, I really don't want to know about that. I just want to get leads. And Alex understood that. So he was tight on it. He made sure that I was very happy. Working with HVAC marketers was exciting because the results was all about making the phone rings. And I do appreciate that. I almost didn't decide whether to use HVAC marketers or a different firm. But one thing for sure that hit me was that Alex promised that he'll treat me like family. And that's what I need. Someone to respect me and work for me as I work for them also. So thank you very much, pal. Consider this: if you want to work with HVAC marketers, know that you could trust them.